Let's go. Let's do this. We're gonna drive down the road in the carpool. I got outstanding warrants for my arrest. I don't pay parking tickets. They pay me. Dude, it's so freaking cold. We're gonna do that part of summer where it's, you know, starting to not be that warm. As long as no cops see us, we are fantastic. Oh no, we're losing all the water. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, woo. Yeah. We're in the carpool, guys. We're literally going down the road. As you can see it, we are going down the road. Shit. There's a cop. Don't mind me. Oh my god, these guys are like, what the fuck? That was freaking wicked. That was freaking wicked. We are literally surfing. We are surfing. That was fucking insane. Whoa. I got the doo-doo water in my mouth. That was fun. I just swallowed a bunch of water. Whoa. Oh god. No, please. Whoa. Oh shit, the water. I'm getting sucked out. Oh, Jesus. Oh. There's like no more water in here. We have knocked out all of the fucking water. I was just witnessed by someone. Oh god. Guys, that was freaking insane. Jesus. How do I tell her there's no water in here? I'm literally gonna get thrown around. My ribs and my arms, they might be broken, but we will not give up. Jesus. Oh. We have to spread eagle. Spread eagle is the safest thing. Oh my goodness. Should I open the tailgate while we're driving, guys? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Freezing. God, I'm just relaxing. Jesus. Oh my freaking god, guys. That was freaking wild. Oh, damn. Damn, some of that shit fucking hurt. Oh, yeah. Oh god. Oh god. We're getting sucked out. Oh, Jesus. Mary H. Christ. Help me! Oh my god. Guys, that was a wicked run. Will I do that again? Maybe. Oh my god. Guys! Oh god! Oh god! I feel like I'm Vietnam right now. That'll be it for today, guys. That was wicked. I think I hurt my arm pretty good. But other than that, stay tuned for more crazy shit like this. See you later.